Hello and welcome back to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Today, I'm exposing the hidden money rules the wealthy live by, rules that most people never hear about. If you want to break free financially in 2025, you need to know these. Rule number 1: Assets first, income second. The rich focus on owning things that make money, not just earning salaries. Rule number 2: Compounding is king. They invest early and let time do the heavy lifting. Rule number 3: Controlled risk beats playing safe. They don't avoid risk, they manage it smartly. Rule number 4: Leverage is a secret weapon. They use other people's time, money, and skills to multiply results. Rule number 5: Cash flow over flash. They value consistent income streams over showing off wealth. Rule number 6: Learn, adapt, evolve. The wealthy never stop upgrading their financial knowledge. Rule number 7: Money is a servant, not a master. They control money, never letting money control them. White right pointing backhand index. Apply these 7 hidden rules, and you'll change how money works for you forever. If this helped, smash the like button, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. This is Yemi Oseni, reminding you, think smart, grow smart.